if you really want to deploy a trailing stop, right, then you got to decide how is your trailing stop going to be. Generally, there's two ways to go about doing it. One kind of trailing stop is that you can actually draw the trend line and the steeper trend line and use it as a way to set your dynamic trailing stop. All right. So in a way, for example, if it starts to get steeper and you are able to establish the next bounce point, then you can actually connect a line and from a dynamically perspective, just monitor and say, as long as the price doesn't cross this green uptrend line, I will let my stops continue to just trail below this green uptrend line. All right. So again, it depends on your trading horizon, right? Because CJ, you didn't mention whether you are a short-term swing trader or you are a longer-term swing trader, or maybe you are a position trader. Obviously, if you are a different kind of horizon you're looking at, we are looking at a different line. If you are a longer-term swing trader, the gentler trend line is probably the line that we will be looking at for a trailing stop if you are a longer-term swing trader. All right. Or if you are a long-term position trader, then probably this is the main line we are talking about, the most gentle uptrend line we are looking about.